Hello everyone. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. This is Unique etc. here. Please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't done so, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell. I sure would appreciate it. This is just a real quick thrift haul. This is a book that I thrifted called God's Words of Life for Young Women of Faith. It has great devotionals, and it just is a wonderful, positive book. And I just thought it was so beautiful too. It's talks about family, guidance, faith, encouragement, emotions, comfort. It's just a great book. It really is, and I thought it was just so beautiful. I try to do devotionals every day when I'm drinking my coffee at breakfast time, because it just makes my day go by. And I seem like I just do better when I read a daily devotional. Okay, this next one is called My First 5 Years, Memories of My Early Years, a record book, baby book. I've already got several of these that I have used, but this one was just so cute I couldn't pass it up. The illustrations is just wonderful, and so this one was also $1. Also, other things I can't pass up. I love this cookbook right here, Double Delicious Good Simple Food for Busy Complicated Lives by Jessica Seinfeld. And this is real good recipe ideas. I love the illustrations too in here. What caught my eye is the first page and of course the title. But this looks like vintage cookbook, but it's not. But it also makes a decorative item in my kitchen, and I'm anxious to try a lot of these quick, easy, simple recipes for all us busy ladies. Well, I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and have a blessed day and a blessed Friday. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye-bye.